Get this. Now I'll use this icon. Let me change this background to white so that we'll see what we are doing. Change it to white. Now this is my icon. I think I should flip it to face this other way. All right. Now we have our icon. Let me adjust the color a little and just want something green. Make it dark a little and contrast. All right, this is okay. Now we have our icon. Yeah, what I'm trying to create here is something like a saloon logo. Now I'll get my write-up here. I did the write-up, so let's go for a name. I'll go for basement saloon. This saloon, basement saloon. Okay, all right, I have this now, so I'm going to change the font style. Change the font style to something beautiful. Let's see if I have something I can use here. Let's go to this place. Look for something nice. Basement saloon. Let me see this. No, I'll go for, okay, let's use this. Okay, do the same thing to this. Now we change the color of the text to match with the color of the icon. Change the color of the text to match color of the icon. At least they should similarity. No. Okay, let's just use something different from the icon to beautify it. I'll adjust this color here. Okay, all right, I think this is okay. Now I have my basement saloon. So the next thing is going to add what we offer. Now we have, I'll use your number one point to get that natural looks. Okay, so I'll reduce it. I'm going to change the font style. Okay, I will increase the font style size a little. Let's increase the font size to 25. Okay, and then we just and then I will change the color to black. Okay, let me take it all a little. Now, perfect. Now the next in that will follow, I will bring in our address. Address, make it 24. New lane. Opposites. John Smith. John. Opposite John. John Smith. Johnstone Hotel. Kubwa. Abuja. Please, the address users just for tutorial sake. We don't have anything like this anywhere. Okay, I'll done. I think I have my address now. I'll reduce it a bit. I'll place it here. Send. Okay. Then I will change the color to red. All right. Let's look for red color. Red. Now change the font style to let's just get the font style. I don't want to use too many font styles, so I will just use the same as the address. All right. I'll go for, like I said, I don't want to use so many font styles, so I will just copy this and edit it for the number. I'll use 07063743195. place it here. Then I'll get an icon. I'll get our WhatsApp icon. The WhatsApp icon. Let's get the phone icon first. Let me increase the phone number a little size. Okay. Then I'll make that color, change the color of the number to black. Let's bring this one down a little. All right, now I will copy this again. Copy this again and paste and place here. That will be the email basement. Like I said, this is for tutorial sake. There's no salon like basement salon at gmail.com. This is just for tutorial sake. No salon name called basement, and there is no address like 24 New Lane. So it's just for tutorial sake. So I'm going to reduce the size of the mail so it could fit in. All right, let's get our mail icon. All right, this is okay. Now we have our 2D logo. I'm going to save this our 2D logo that we have designed and convert it to 3D logo using Photopea. So let's save it. First, before we save, we are going to change the background to transparent. Now we'll go to save image. Click on this place. Also save to gallery. And to go to my browser. Into my browser, I'm going to search for Photopea. I have it here, photopea.com. Now this is photopea.com. I'm going to click on templates to get my template. Still loading. I have we are in Photopea. Down we are in Photopea. I'm going to click on templates. I'll wait for it to load. Now we have several templates here. We're going to pick any random template and make use of. I'm going to go with this. Wait for it to load. The network is slow. I'll click on the icon here and wait for it. It's loading. Now I'll click on this three square here, then double tap on this icon, then there's picture inside. I'm going to hide it. Then we'll go to file, open and place. So I'm getting my image here. This is the image. I'm going to get it. Let's wait for it to load. And this is our 2D logo here. I'm going to place it at the middle. Now we'll go back to file, click on save smart object. Save smart object. Smart object updated. We'll just go back to this place and you have your 3D logo. Now to save, you just go to file, export as PNG, and you have your 3D logo saved into your phone.